Hello, yeah, hi guys. So hope you are doing well. So today we are here to discuss about our new platform, that is Instant Reputation Checker. Most of you know. So I have uploaded a video regarding this tool then 1.5 years ago, which can automate your threat reputation check for different IOCs from VirusTotal and AbuseIPDB. So you just have to integrate it with your own API keys. So after that uploading that video, I received many mails and many comments on that video for accessing that tool. It was developed for personal use only. I was not able to showcase it to you, and it was having some issues also. So after that I decided to create a foolproof platform for you guys, so which you can access in an isolated environment also, because standalones is something people don't make feel protective, so they thought that it can be a malware also. This time I'm back with a new platform which can be directly run on your VMware workstation, and again it has multiple features, so we will be discussing about it in this video from zero to setup on your own VMware workstation. So let's start. So first you have to go to the instantReputationChecker.com website. So here you can just check the features and how to use this or how to download the files. So without wasting any time, let me go to the download section here. So here you can download the zip file. So it will contain the VMware image for the machine, so which you have to open it in your VMware workstation. So make sure you have VMware workstation installed on your machine. So after clicking on this download button, the download will start and you will be get a zip file of around 3 point something GB, because it's totally running on a Linux based machine, so that's why the size is a little bit high. Although it is compressed, then you have to unzip it after downloading. After downloading, when you will unzip it, so you will go to this folder, and here you will see two different files. One is the image and one is the configuration file. So this is the file that you have to open it in your directly open it, so it will take you to the VMware workstation if you have already installed it. And here you just have to power on this machine. Once this is power on, you just have to log in to the default credentials for username also, and for password also you have to enter only Ubuntu. So here I go. So as you can see, I have been logged into this machine. So now you have to check the IP of this machine that is assigned. So it may differ at your system, because what subnet you are using. So for me, here you can see it is 192.168.1.2. so same you have to open it in your browser. So when you will go to this 168.1.2, port you have to use is 5000 port. So this will open the login page for this tool. So here also you have to use the default credentials that are admin, and password will be given in the description of this video. So this is how the platform looks like. So let me just give you a quick walkthrough. So here you can see I've been logged in from the admin user, and here I can change the themes also, whichever you like. So let it be this light fill for this time, and here we have a logout button, and this is the home dashboard that it looks like. So here we have a VirusTotal option, here we have AbuseIPDB, and also both correlate option. So it will correlate from both the ends if you have provided API keys for both the platforms. Here you can just copy and paste the list of IOCs that you want to search. So it will auto detect the type of IOC that you have provided, and here you can see, here it says the API key is required. So even if you click on the scan indicator, then it will not work, and it will say and at least one API key is required. So what you have to do first is you have to go to API settings. Here you can see API settings also. So you have to configure your own API key So when you will logged on to the platform's website, so in your profile section only, you can just generate your own API key. You can use the free API keys also, and this is somehow the limits looks like for free API keys. For VirusTotal it is I think 500 per day, and for AbuseIPDB it is 1000 per day. So once you copy and paste it and edit the API keys, then save the configuration, then you can just start using this. So here I have added VirusTotal API key, and then you can click on the save and verify button, so it will save the credential at the backend. And similarly, when you copy and paste the API key for AbuseIPDB, you can just click on the save and verify button. It will save the key for this also. So now you have to go to the check reputation button, tab. Then what you can do is you can just copy and paste the IOCs inside this, and you can just click on the scan indicator button. So it will start scanning the IOCs one by one. So you can see a scan is completed. So once this is completed, you can go to results. So you can see it will showcase the latest results for the last scan you have made. And let's say if I want to see details for this particular IOC, I can go to the details button, and here it will show the details for both VirusTotal and AbuseIPDB. Because it was selected as both and correlate, so the results will be given to you on the basis of correlation from both the platforms. Now if you go to the dashboard buttons, all the IOCs that you will be searched, so it will be added to the dashboard. So it will showcase you the total scan, malicious, suspicious, clean, and in the chart and graphs form, and it will show the top malicious countries based on the IOCs, threat categories also. If you go to the history button, so all the searches that you will be made through this check reputation tab will be added here. For future perspective, let's say you want to export previous results, so you can directly export it from here also, or you can go to results, then you can click on this export Excel button. So it will export the results to wherever you want. Now you can just open this Excel file, and it will open the results. So you can see this will be the results based on the correlation from both the platforms, and here will be a summary. So that's how you can just scan and export the results for a particular scan. Similarly, let's say you have multiple scan history here, so you can just load the scan, so it will load the results here also. Similarly, you can also directly export it from here also. It will export the results for that particular scan. Here we have a section for users. Let's say we want to give access to someone else also, we can use this platform, because admin is something we can't give to everyone. So we can just create users on the basis of roles. Let's say for analyst, for viewer only, or let's say for admin only. And here are the permissions that each role have, so you can give it accordingly and create the users also. And if you want to reset password for any user, so you can just click on this password button, and you can just reset the password also. So that's how this platform works. So you can check it out by downloading the image of this machine from the website. And in case you face an issue, then you just mention it in the comment section, or you can just mail me out in the mentioned mail ID. So thank you guys. Hope you guys like the platform. In case you face any issues, then you are free to ask. Once again, wrapping this up, thank you guys for watching.